dearest, my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today Wednesday cooking episode is giving luxury, made simple because we are making rosé wine with mussel. Yes, this dish looks fancy, tastes incredible, but it's actually super easy to make. There's the main ingredients: garlic, tomato, parsley, lemon, olive oil, and of course the wine. So let's get into the video. Hello my dearest, how you guys doing? This is Rosalinda, your favorite fire inspector. But today you guys know what time is it? It's Wednesday, and we are cooking something very simple but yet delicious, elegant, luxurious. Okay, do you guys love my earrings? Look at my tattoo. That means that I am the African girl. All right, so we're cooking mussels. Now, one secret about mussels, okay, it's like while you're cleaning it, because it has been cleaned, I had to throw a lot of them, okay, because when they're open, that means that that is no longer good. All right, it's no longer good, so you have to clean it and take all those out. And what do I always say? Put your hair back, no hair in your face. The stove has to be clean for safety, okay? And we are going to make it with the rosé wine. Most of the time it has to be dry wine. Can you guys imagine, right? I had to do a presentation today. I have 3 classes going on. Then I'm an instructor at the same time, and I had to do a lot of stuff today. Look at the time, it's 8:45 at night. Okay, but for you guys, yes, I'm willing to go there. All right, and extra virgin olive oil, lemon, okay, as I show you guys, garlic, fresh tomato, and parsley. Those are the ingredients we're going to use. You guys know now that this channel is all about fire prevention, anything related to fire, right? And for my ladies and gentlemen out there who want to become firefighters, fire prevention inspectors, this is your channel. All right, not only there, we're going to talk about Spain, Equatorial Guinea, to be precise, Bioko Island. On Thursday I speak Spanish. Okay, on my channel for my Latino families, we're going to talk about beauty, okay, fashion, although you're going to be seeing me in my uniform all the time. All right, and of course glow, mama glow. Okay, so let's get into the cooking. So I've already cleaned everything. Okay, I've already prepped everything because it's a bit too late, so we're going to go straight into, okay, switching on the fire, okay, and we're going to start our cooking. So I'm gonna, okay, girlfriends and guys, so now we're gonna put, I already switched on the stove, and we're gonna put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, right? We're gonna let it warm a little bit, right? And then guess what? Once it warms a little bit, then we're going to, since I have let it, you know, to the a pan to get hot already, so we're gonna put the garlic, right? The tomato, okay. I really hope you guys have had a fantastic day. I put the tomato, okay. The garlic is very simple, okay, very simple dish, okay. So now we're gonna put the mussels, okay. We're gonna put the mussels. Very simple. It takes actually very few minutes to get done. Okay, and we are going to put, okay, for it to be flavored, we're gonna put, you can put 1 little cup of wine, but I'm gonna put everything because there was a little bit left anyways. Okay, so we're gonna let it cook for about 7 minutes. For about 7 minutes, we can actually put a bit of salt. All right, a bit of salt, and we're gonna let it simmer for a little bit, okay, for about 7 minutes, and we will come back. I'm trying to save literally storage. Okay, we will come back in a few. Voila, you guys can see it, how beautiful it's looking. Okay, we're going to add the lemon and the cilantro. Once the mussels are open, that means it's cooked. The mussels are cooked, and we're going to put lemon. Okay, we're going to actually put lemon. You know, I love lemon. And then we're going to mix it. And put the parsley on top. Okay, for garnish, lemon and parsley. And when we're about to eat it, we're gonna actually put, guess what, extra virgin olive oil. So see you in a minute. Look how pretty it's looking with the lemon, and then we have add the parsley. So when we're about to get ready to eat it, then we're gonna put the extra virgin olive oil for garnish. That's how we eat it in Spain. Very simple. And just like that, voila, look at it. Look how pretty it's looking. Very simple. It took about 15 minutes to do everything, and I am going to serve it. Okay, my dearest, you guys have to treat yourself once in a while. Okay, I did buy this at Costco's. They were selling it good, but I did have to throw away a lot. Look how pretty it's looking. Okay, we're gonna put extra, you see how green, extra virgin oil have to have a 0.7% acidity. We're gonna put it on top. Whoop, it's looking good. Look at it, right? And then sangria. Okay, now this time it's too late, so I'm doing the plate for my mom. Usually you're supposed to have it with white wine, but since I don't have white wine, this is it, my dearest. This is it. You see how simple, luxurious, and delicious. So since I did it, I'm gonna try it. The lemon, fantastic, al dente, simple. My dearest, you guys have a wonderful night, and see you here next week. I had to do a lot of stuff to do this video today. Okay, so I'm heading out. Good night, my lovelies, and see you here next week.